Tamil to slay 3 curses now meet me now the 100 so me today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Shadin Arya. Today I'm going to show you how I make eye drops at home. Yeah, these eye drops had helped me a lot because my eyesight was getting weaker day by day and I have to wear a glass because I need mikdira 껴루더라. 아니 믹시 경우도 소니 믹시 그뭐 먹어야 치더니 나라 믹라민 카리아도 됐다고 섬싸. 이 됐다도 아니 Ayurveda 기 수수낭라 믹 drops 믹이야게 루드라니 망부자니 코스모와 아니 this 딱지 치워섬스야. I've seen in some video that Ayurveda eye drops which you can make at home and it is really helpful and effective and many people have been using this, and this is an ancient medicine which anybody can make at home and it's really helpful. Like most of the people have given a lot of feedbacks and they have to go to the operation and they have like their eyesight has improved a lot, and after using these eye drops they have to cancel the eye operation, and that was so amazing to hear that. And I thought to make this eye drops for myself and try it myself, and I've been trying this eye drop for about a year and I realized that it has improved my eyesight a lot because when I was using it, because my power glass has not increased in this recent year. Yeah, so now let's go and try to make. 아니 우리 신랑 믹시 근딜로 직직제라 파르게라 하스다니 믹기 drop the vegetable 치니라 믹디 도로 좀들아 약을 친소 오시는 드리니에 방송라디 뜬고 삼성 가스나 미망부젤 펜토나 아니 약을했습니다. Yeah, I thought to share it in my YouTube channel because I would like to help many people, because I don't like to wear eyeglass by myself, so I think there are many people like me who doesn't like to wear eyeglass, so I can help through this video as much as I can people who are like me who doesn't like to wear eyeglass. So today I'm going to show you all how I make this, and I hope this can help many people as much as I can. Okay, then stay tuned. Let's go the lemon. Everything is washed. No water need to be. No water. One drop of water. Chuche huए मेरा दिखला. So I'm going to take everything is 1 teaspoon. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and ginger, ingwer, capsi. 림부기 추디가 much. Add thrown softies and tailor. This is ingwer. Just taking from inside. It's more fresh, so I'm going to take. Everything is 1 spoon. Not too much ingwer. I've taken everything, all the ingredients are organic, bio. Somebody susugi the nang like kigo bio nuere organic, because we are putting inside our and then white onion, song kabo. I don't have white onion, so I'm using this one. This one. Just cut like this. I'm going to make a juice. This one spoon, and then ginger. That bra. So you will get a paste. This has been washed and it need to be dry properly. No water should be there. 네, 갭십이랑도 십십도 브라니. 네, juice인데. Check how much juice we need. See, 1 teaspoon is enough. Or 1 teaspoon. 조마조마씩 비벼라. Yes, enough. Little bit clean. Now we are going to use onion. Better take a white onion if you have. I don't have, so I'm using this. Citron is soft, zwiebel soft, ingwer soft. Now I'm using organic Manuka honey. Penicillium Yo Manuka honey. Yeah, organic Manuka honey I'm using. It's organic. It's very good. This honey is the best honey. It has lots of vitamins. So this one I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. So let's take the you can see 1 teaspoon. This honey is very expensive, but for this small bottle I paid like almost 50 Swiss franc. But it's very good. Manuka. The bottle change the Swiss Mopchutera Bio Manuka honey. I will give all the link below in the description box. And you can use this and mix it properly. Mix so well. Is already watering too much. Water is coming. People who doesn't have any problem with the eye source, they can use it because it clears your eyesight and it is very good. And like whatever the dust in the day it has gone inside your eyes, it will clean up. Yeah, can see around the middle problem. Middle can you mean again? You hedge on the door. When you can give me some la thala that damage to you some rather than your suit. Drop na lura, meat na the ludi drop the thick by the meat na ludira and lola. On the chilo to do thala than damage to the souls on my patient. And it has vitamin. if you have any problem with the dry eyes or any kind of eyes problem, it will cure all kind of eyes problem. Okay, now I'm going to take another bowl, and let's strain it. I'm gonna strain this. When you're doing this, when you're making this, you just have to wash your hand properly and towel dry, no water. Now I'm going to store in this bottle. This you can store it for like 2 weeks, 15 days. So I'm going to write a date. So after 15 days you can make again new one, new batch. Before, when you're using it, just shake properly. Now I'm going to write the date of today and stick on paper. Let me cut some paper here and then write down the dates so that I don't do any mistake later that when I have to use. So I'm making this today is 3rd July 2020. I'll stick it here and I put in the refrigerator. You have to keep in the cool place. I keep in the cool place. What's this? Yeah, I wrote the dates. Say this is December. Yeah, after 15 days you can make a new batch. What I do is when I put on my eyes, inside my eyes, then whatever they left over I just use on my face because it's work as a serum also, like it's glow your skin as well because it's all ingredients are good for your skin and hair. Even you can use on your hair roots. It's amazing. So if you think like it's too much, and then you can use on your skin while using on your eyes. I do that often. Okay, then I will show you how I use this on my eye. Anh sang mà long to new rồi rồi anh kesi ranzo di channel bang sawai narwa ani subscribe chiri ma majority gata ta ani mission bala ani video di share chiri. Yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this video. Okay then, take care, see you next time.